Hello, I'm Doug Maxwell, Chief Financial Officer for Goddard Public Schools. And today we're going to explore the projects in the upcoming bond election on May 13th that will impact the students, staff, and visitors across the district.
That's awful. It's just awful.
Across the district, we're dealing with aging infrastructure. At several of our schools, roofs are over 25 years old, well past their expected lifespan.
Down here, started caving in the tile inside the classroom. So you can see we had to recut all the seams and repatch every seam down here in this corner.
Our facilities team is spending countless hours patching roofs instead of doing preventative maintenance.
At some point, it becomes completely cost prohibitive to not replace the roof. I mean, we're spending 100% of a complete gentleman's time repairing the roof instead of doing lots of other things we could do to serve kids.
Goddard High School is dependent on a 30-year-old boiler. This supplies all the hot water for the showers, kitchens, and restrooms, and there's no backup. If the boiler goes down, the entire school is impacted until it's fixed, which again is only temporary.
If you don't have your boiler operational, you've got a serious problem. I mean, you got to have hot water, have occupancy. Things need to be replaced when they're at the end of life. And that's what we're rolling into in some of these buildings with replacing the mechanical systems. So we're running into some of these issues, and it's just something that we're going to have to deal with. And you can kick the can about so far down the road, and then pretty soon you got a serious problem.
This bond will fund the replacement of 200 rooftop HVAC units across the district. Many of these units are past their expected lifespan, costly to maintain, and parts are becoming harder to find. When a unit fails, it can disrupt the school day.
If you lose a rooftop unit, you're shuffling kids out of their normal classroom into a common area. And depending on how long it takes to get in parts, I mean, it could be a really, really bad situation for the students. It could disrupt services inside the classroom. So replacing these units is probably, on this building, one of the most critical things for this building.
This is something we've sealed 2 or 3 different times.
It also includes critical maintenance projects across the district, such as resealing parking lots that are in need of repair. Taking care of these issues now is important. Delaying the work will only lead to higher costs in the future.
As the water ponds up in these areas and then it gets cold again, it starts freeze-thaw action, and it actually penetrates down through the top coat and into the base and could cause more and more damage and more of the parking lot to fail. We try to come back in and cut these areas out and then just fix the small area, but the area is growing exponentially.
So you can see how this camera is sun damaged.
The bond will also include new security cameras, technology, and updating entry points across the district, keeping students safe during school events and activities.
So the camera system has been acquired over several years, and currently our video lapse is not very long to retain video. So if we have an incident that happened for say 2 weeks ago, we may or may not be able to pull that system up. So we really need to upgrade our servers and even upgrade some of our camera systems because they're blurry. Beep, beep.
Additionally, the bond will support the development of accessible playgrounds and improve access to athletic fields, making it easier for all spectators to attend and enjoy events.
If we do have disruptions like the HVAC doesn't run or water leaking into a room, all those things, I understand what distracts students from their daily learning. And so if we can keep those environments clean, effective, efficient, they can do a better job of learning and they can do a better job serving our community someday. And this bond will help us provide the best learning environment for our students.
These maintenance and security projects across the district are simply too cost prohibitive to support out of the general operating budget. And this bond will help us ensure we are extending the useful life of our schools and providing a safe, healthy, and connected learning environment for our students.